Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Sergey from Russia and I try to improve my English with this YouTube channel. Today I want to tell you how you can make an animation of the path in the map. For example, if you move from one city to another, and we will use this animation with iMovie, but all the work we will do in Final Cut, and I want to tell you this way. I think it's original and interesting. First of all, we should open iMovie application. You can open it with Spotlight, but if you don't have iMovie application on your Mac, you can download it absolutely free from Mac App Store. After opening this application, we should go to the background. I'm sorry, I apologize that my iMovie in Russian because I have my native language is Russian, but I tell you that this thing is background, and you have here a lot of generators of map, and you should add it to the to your timeline. Let's do it. First generator, let's put here. You can zoom out your timeline to have more space by pressing Command minus button. Then put here another generator, another map, another, and the last one. So let's go to the menu command file. Share. I don't know how it is called in English, but maybe share this movie in Final Cut or send this movie to Final Cut. I press this menu command, and my Final Cut is opened now, and I have here a new library. It is called iMovie library, and I have here a new project. It is called My Film. Let's open it, and as you can see, we have here all our map generators. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 generators. All of them are here. And as you can see, in inspector panel we can set start location and end location to set our map. Let's do that. For example, I want to use this map, and I want to go from let's call it San Francisco to for example Tokyo. Tokyo. Maybe in Russia. Tokyo. Tokyo. I think we should have here this. Maybe to London. Okay, Big Ben, Great London, UK. Oh, London here. Okay, let's press done button, and just now we have our path from San Francisco to London. If you want to have this to have speed of this animation slower, of course you can expand this clip, and as you can see, our animation is slower. For some generators we have another settings here, as for example zoom and show path. Let's have a look here. For example, if you want to have zoom in effect, you should press here zoom in, and if you want you can show route or don't show route if you don't want to have here it. So how we can use all these generators in our in our work, in our own timelines. And for example, I don't want to have this library, this new library opened. I want to delete it, but I want to have all my map generators here in Final Cut. What should I do? For example, I work a lot of time with untitled library, and I want to make here a new event. Let's do it by pressing Option and button, and let's call this event maps. Okay, don't create new project. Let's press OK button. So, and but this event I want to have in untitled library. Let's do the same event here. Option and button, maps. Okay, but I don't need this event here. Move event to trash. Okay, so let's move all our maps from here, from our timeline, to the event maps. How to do that? We should make compound clips from each of our map. Let's do that. Let's press here, then Option G button, Option G. Let's call it map 1. Okay, the second map, let's do another compound clip by pressing Option G. Map 2. Okay, the third map, let's do another Option G compound clip, map 3, for example. Okay, and so on and so on. For every of these clips you should do the same thing. Then, as you can see, we have all our compound clips in browser, but I want to have these compound clips in this event. Let's move them. I select them and move it to my maps event. You should press here media and original media, then press OK, and as you can see, we have here all our maps, but not all, but I have just three maps here, but that's okay. I don't need this new library anymore. I want to delete it from my Mac, and I want to close it in Final Cut. Let's do that. Let's press right mouse button, then reveal in Finder to see where we have this library. I have it in movies folder. Let's delete this library, but before, let's close it in Final Cut by pressing right button, close library iMovie. So we have in Final Cut this library closed, and let's delete it from here, from our Mac. Okay, but just now we have all our maps here in our main library in the special event. If you want to change view of these maps, you can click here to have icon view, and if you want, you can have a list view. So how we can use all these maps? For example, I have a project. Let's open this project, and I want to have in the end of this project a map, for example, or in the middle of my project. Let's do that. I go to the maps event, and I should choose which map I want to use. Let's use, for example, this map. I select all this clip by pressing X button, and then I move it to my timeline. But as you can see in inspector, we don't have any settings of this generator, because this generator just now is a compound clip, and all these generators of my maps are compound clips. We should ungroup compound clips to have any settings here. Let's do that by pressing Command Shift G button, and just now, as you can see, we have all our settings, and you can set them here, and you can have an interesting animation of moving of your moving from one city to another, or one country to another. And that's it. I think it is an interesting way to do this type of animation. If you like it, please press the the hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel, and see see you in the next time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.